Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden wall decor crafts project ideas for modern living space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting wood wall decor for modern living spaces presents a unique opportunity to blend creativity, functionality, and personal expression, transforming ordinary walls into stunning focal points that enhance the overall aesthetic of a room. The versatility of wood as a medium allows artisans to explore a wide range of design ideas, each tailored to reflect contemporary sensibilities while adding warmth and texture to the environment. One popular approach is to create geometric wall art, where various shapes and sizes of wood pieces come together to form a striking visual composition. By using contrasting wood tones, artisans can achieve a dynamic effect that draws the eye and adds depth to the wall. For instance, a series of hexagons or triangles arranged in an abstract pattern can create a modern, playful vibe that complements minimalist or industrial decor styles, making the wall a statement piece without overwhelming the space. Another captivating idea is to craft wooden shelves that double as decorative elements. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood not only provide functional storage for books and plants, but also serve as a canvas for showcasing personal items and artwork. By varying the lengths and arrangements of the shelves, artisans can create an asymmetrical design that adds visual interest and reflects a contemporary aesthetic. Incorporating live edges into the shelf design can further enhance the organic feel, connecting the decor to nature and adding a touch of rustic charm to modern interiors. This blend of functionality and artistry allows the wall decor to evolve, as homeowners can easily change the items displayed on the shelves, keeping the decor fresh and personalized. Wooden signs with inspirational quotes or personalized messages have gained popularity as a way to infuse personality into living spaces. These signs can be crafted using various techniques, such as wood burning, painting, or even laser engraving, allowing artisans to experiment with different styles and finishes that resonate with the modern aesthetic. A beautifully designed wooden sign can serve as a centerpiece in a living room or entryway, welcoming guests and setting a positive tone for the home. The emotional connection that comes with personalized messages adds an intimate touch, making the decor not just visually appealing, but also meaningful for the residents. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Incorporating natural elements into wall decor is another trend that aligns beautifully with modern design principles. Wood slices or branches can be arranged to create rustic wall art that embodies the beauty of nature. For instance, a series of polished wood slices arranged in a circular pattern can evoke a sense of harmony and balance, making it an ideal addition to a calming space like a bedroom or meditation corner. This natural aesthetic not only enhances the visual appeal of the wall, but also promotes a sense of tranquility, inviting the outdoors inside. Combining wood with other natural materials, such as moss or stone, can further enrich the design, creating a layered effect that speaks to the interconnectedness of nature and modern living. Artisans can also explore the concept of modular wall decor, where individual wooden pieces can be arranged and rearranged to create different configurations. This approach allows for flexibility and creativity, enabling homeowners to customize their wall art according to their preferences and changing decor styles. Modular designs can take the form of interlocking geometric shapes or customizable wooden panels that can be painted or stained in various colors. This adaptability not only enhances the artistic expression, but also reflects the dynamic nature of modern living, where personal tastes and trends can evolve over time. Moreover, using reclaimed wood for wall decor projects not only adds character and history to the pieces, but also aligns with sustainable practices that are increasingly important in contemporary design. Artisans can source old barn wood, pallets, or furniture remnants to create unique wall art that tells a story. The weathered textures and varied hues of reclaimed wood lend a rustic charm that contrasts beautifully with sleek modern furnishings, creating a balanced and harmonious environment. This commitment to sustainability resonates with many consumers who seek to incorporate eco-friendly choices into their homes, making reclaimed wood decor not just a design choice, but also a statement of values. Integrating lighting into wood wall decor can elevate the overall ambience of a living space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. For instance, wooden wall sconces that hold LED candles or accent lights can add a soft glow to the surroundings, highlighting the beauty of the wood grain and casting intriguing shadows. This interplay of light and texture enhances the visual dimension of the decor, transforming simple wooden pieces into captivating focal points. Artisans can experiment with different shapes and designs for the sconces, ensuring that they complement the overall aesthetic of the room while providing functional lighting that serves both practical and decorative purposes. The emotional aspects of crafting wood wall decor cannot be overlooked, as each piece often reflects the artisan's personal journey and creative expression. The act of selecting the wood, designing the layout, and executing the project can be a deeply fulfilling experience, allowing artisans to channel their emotions and creativity into tangible forms. Whether driven by a desire to beautify their own living spaces or to create meaningful gifts for loved ones, the process of crafting wall decor becomes a celebration of individuality and artistic exploration. Each finished piece carries with it the energy and intention of its creator, inviting viewers to connect on a deeper level and appreciate the story behind the art. As artisans delve into the world of wood wall decor, they can also draw inspiration from various cultural influences and artistic movements. Incorporating elements from Scandinavian design, for example, can lead to the creation of minimalist wooden art pieces that emphasize functionality and simplicity. Alternatively, exploring bohemian aesthetics can inspire more eclectic designs that blend various textures, colors, and forms. By merging these influences with their personal style, artisans can create unique pieces that resonate with a broad audience while remaining true to their artistic vision. Crafting wood wall decor for modern living spaces is a multifaceted endeavor that encompasses creativity, functionality, and emotional expression. From geometric art pieces and floating shelves to personalized signs and natural arrangements, the possibilities are vast and varied. Each project allows artisans to explore different techniques, materials, and styles, resulting in pieces that not only beautify a space, but also tell a story and evoke feelings. The incorporation of sustainable practices and a focus on personal connection further enrich the creative process, making wood wall decor a meaningful addition to contemporary interiors. Ultimately, these crafted pieces transform walls into canvases for artistic expression, reflecting the individuality of the artisan and the unique character of the living space they inhabit. As these wooden artworks grace modern homes, they serve as reminders of the beauty of craftsmanship and the power of creativity to inspire and uplift. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for wooden wall decor craft projects ideas for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, Stay safe and stay blessed.